Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and look at what I got. So this came with my first order, and my first order was a few items from the new catalog. So I wanted to show you some sneak peeks of just a few items. I didn't get a big, a huge haul, but this is all I can show you for now. But if you are subscribed to my channel, I will flip through this in May when you can go ahead and see everything that's in here. If you are a current customer of mine or buy anything before the end of the month, you'll get a free catalog. And if you have already purchased from me this past 6 months, you'll get a free catalog. And that will come in April. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you. You guys want to see the new colors. These are the new colors. Those are going to be the in colors for 26, 27, 28. Aren't they pretty? These are the in color dots, and they're a little pearlized. Very pretty. I've already opened this all up because I needed to get to some things for a craft that I'm doing right now. But look at these beautiful embellishments. These are called the Dewdrop embellishments, and so pretty. Love the colors, and I know you'll be seeing a lot of those. I bought this guy, a Get Well Soon. It is one photopolymer stamp. So pretty, and that's going to go great on cards, like just for a whole card. And then I'm going to show you all the ink colors, but before I show you that, we're going to get through the photopolymer stamp set. This is a 2-step stamp set, and it's got 15 stamps in it, and it is called Notes of Spring. And what you do is you stamp here, and then you stamp again right inside there, and that puts your color there. Same with the little duck or goose or whatever you want to call him. We've got a little rabbit, same. We've got some that weed grass, I don't know what it's called, but then we have this can stamp in there, here and here, and here and here. And then this says, especially for you, a little note of thanks and happiest wishes. You guys, I got this for $5 this month. This is the product of the month. If you want to get this for only $5, you're going to just need to buy a minimum order, and you too can get this for only $5. Let's look at the new stuff. That's what we're waiting for, right? I do have a pack of paper, and I don't know what I did with it, but it's all these in colors. Oh, here it is. I wanted to see them. I like to get the variety pack first, and it's got all the colors in there. And the reason I get the variety pack is because then I can see. Like this one, I would never have got just seeing the color in the book, but now seeing it in person, gorgeous. I will get a pack of that. So we are moving on. This is a hybrid stamp pad. So if you're like me, you guys bought the white craft pad and used the Memento ink to make it your own, because I didn't really care for the linen craft pad that we had in the last catalog. So now they created a new one. This is called the Hybrid Stampin' Pad in Basic Black. And this is the second time I'm having trouble, and then all of a sudden it's just going to pop off. So it is not that hard. I don't know what I do to make it so hard, because all of a sudden it's just going to pop off. But of course right now it's making me look like I don't know what I'm doing. There it is. I did not have to use a tool to get that open earlier. But there it is. It comes off completely. And so you have that whole entire pad, and it is raised. So there we go. No real smell to it. Oh, that's why it's stuck in there, because this has that little lip. And I must have pulled down and created like a suction. So, but that's good. It's going to stay moist. I hate that word. Anyways, let's continue on. So look at this beautiful color. It is called Golden Glow. The next one is called Hydrangea Hue. The next one is called Peaceful Pine. Barely Blush. And this is a returning favorite, Crisp Cantaloupe. I love that one. So now I gotta show you, you guys, look at that. They're magnetic. So I'm gonna show you the differences between the current cases and these. These cases come off. For those of you who always had trouble, like me, getting into those cases, we've got this, and they're magnetic. Listen. And also, you can just flip it over, and it's magnetic this way as well. So you have the top right there. And it does raise. It is raised, and it has the little labels in the back. So let's go ahead and look at the difference. So I'm gonna get one of the newer ones. This is Cloud Cover. Let me get a different one, because Cloud Cover really isn't a good one to use. So this one's called Secret Sea. This is one of the most recent stamp pads, and you have to lift it like this, and then you push it in, which is nice. I did like it. I got used to it, but a lot of people didn't. I had a friend over today. We were stamping, and I had to open these for her just because she just couldn't get it. But when I showed her these, she opened them, no problem. Now, you'll also see the difference in size. Can you see that? This is a little bit wider, and this is thinner, but much taller. So let's look at the stamp pad size and see if there's any difference. Now, truly, I don't know, because this is the first time looking at it. Oh yeah. So same, it's a little bit wider, and this one's a little bit taller. So they work very nicely. This is a little bit of maybe a little linen on that. And then this one is just a felt. Let's go ahead and grab a piece of paper, and we're gonna test these out. Let me grab a stamp really quick. I have to grab a stamp. Hold on real quick. I think I'll do two different ones. I'm going to do just a line here so we could see how that is from the Rainbow of Thanks. And then so there's the Rainbow of Thanks. And let's see how this one, let's see the new. That's nice. Very nice. And then let's clean this off real quick. And we're going to look at the Secret Sea. Next to each other. Okay, I think I see. Let me just give it a shot, because I don't use this one very often, so I haven't re-inked it or anything. But we're gonna see if that was user error. Okay, that was a little bit of user error, so you can see. Very nice. All right, so now let me get a different, and I'm gonna get the prayers and promises. We'll use one of those. Just gonna grab this out of here. So I put a mark around here so I know exactly where it's gonna go. So let's go ahead. Slap that one on there. And we're going to ink up in that crisp cantaloupe. Pretty. Very nice. I'm going to clean this off. And we're going to do this in the Secret C. Also pretty. So it looks like it does words and solids pretty well. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts on the new pad. I'm pretty excited, especially seeing how well it stamps and that this completely comes off. I was worried with it coming off that we would misplace, but it's got the color on the bottom here. And I'll probably take one of these and put it on here so that we know. And there we go. So I showed you all the colors. What else? What else did I get? Oh, I got these. This is for the project. This is why I got everything. So these are two-tone cardstocks. This is 3 different packs. Let's see. What are the... This one's called Made with Sweetness. And the way that these work, let me show you. They are two-toned. So this is like maybe either a real red, yeah, maybe a real red or a Poppy Parade. And then you turn it on the back and it's lighter. So I don't know. Let me get 2 that we have. I've kind of already. This is the Poppy Parade. And this is the Poppy Parade. And when you flip that over, you can see the 2 different tones. So there is that. So I've got all of those. And that's everything I got. Like I said, it was a very small haul, but I wanted to definitely show you these and give you a sneak peek at the new in colors. I will be doing an in color club, so if you're interested in owning all of them but don't want to pay for the entire thing outright and just do it month by month, you let me know. Make sure you go to beautyandthestamper.com and I'll put up a sign-up sheet there. Not yet. It won't be until closer to May, just because Stampin' Up! Doesn't want us to start selling right now, just in case something happens. But I will do an in-color club where you'll get the ink, the refill, the paper, some of the embellishments. It'll be a fun little guy. So, all right, beauties. Thank you for sticking around if you did, and I hope you enjoyed this haul. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!